Feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life? Imagine finding a way to hit a reset button and discover inner peace anytime, anywhere. Today, I'm going to show you two life changing meditation techniques that will transform your mind and your spirit. Ready to unlock the secrets of calmer and more focused you? Let's dive in. Number one technique is mindfulness meditation. A crucial aspect of mindfulness meditation is observing your thoughts and emotions without any judgment. Our mind often creates stories and narratives about our experiences. Some people carry this story of being a victim for years without even realizing it, and others are so caught up in the past events that they don't live in the present. They make decisions based on their past experiences, leaving no room for the change. Many people struggle with self-doubt for years without even realizing it. They might question their abilities, second-guess their choices, and feel unsure about themselves, all while thinking it's just part of who they are. This ongoing self-doubt can hold you back, but may not notice how deeply it affects you. Mindfulness meditation is all about paying attention to your experiences, whether it is your thoughts, feelings, or sensations in the present moment, without labeling it as good or bad. You simply observe these stories without getting involved or trying to change them. Now, how to practice mindfulness meditation? Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Now notice your thoughts and emotions. Instead of pushing them away or getting carried away by them, simply observe them. Recognize that these thoughts or feelings are not the facts. When you notice that your mind has wandered, gently bring your attention back to your breath or the other sensations of your body. This act of returning to the present moment is the essence of mindfulness meditation. Be kind to yourself. It's normal for your mind to wander. When it does, gently and kindly get your attention back to your breath without criticizing yourself. By regularly observing your thoughts and emotions, you become aware of your habitual thought patterns, and in this way, you can make conscious choices without reacting automatically. Number two technique is breath awareness meditation. Breath awareness meditation involves focusing on the natural rhythm of your breath. The primary goal is to anchor your attention on your breath, thereby helping you to calm your mind. Now, how to practice breath awareness meditation? Find a comfortable space. Get comfortable and gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath and notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Alternatively, you might focus on the rise or the fall of your abdomen or your chest with each breath. Observe your breath without trying to control it. Just notice the natural rhythm of your breath. It's very normal for your mind to wander. The key is to gently refocus your breath each time you find your mind has drifted. Start with few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable with this practice. What are the benefits of meditation? Meditation helps you to embrace boredom and silence. By sitting with the discomfort and focusing on your breaths and your thoughts without any distractions, you build self-awareness. Meditation helps you to quit addictions by improving emotional regulation and increasing self-awareness. Whether it is smoking, binge watching, binge eating, meditation helps you to identify those triggers that lead to addictive behaviors. Regular meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex of the brain. This part of the brain is responsible for impulse control and decision making. This improvement helps you to resist the immediate gratification that you receive from any kind of addiction. Meditation helps you to be less impulsive and less reactive. By observing your feelings without immediately reacting during your meditation practice, you create a mental space between the impulse and your response, allowing you to be more thoughtful and measured with your response. Meditation enhances your skill of noticing. As you develop this habit of observing your thoughts and emotions through meditation practice, you also begin to notice minor details of your surroundings. And in this way, you can experience life more fully and deeply. Meditation helps you to realize that you are not your thoughts by allowing you to observe them. You begin to notice that thoughts come and go, but you, as an observer, remain constant and unaffected. It is especially helpful if you identify yourself with negative thoughts like I'm not good enough, I am rejected, I'm a failure, I am a victim, or I am misunderstood. By seeing these thoughts as passing events rather than identifying with them, you can break these negative thought patterns. This shift helps you to understand that you are not identified by these thoughts or labels, and instead you have the power to choose a different and a more empowering self view. Before we wrap up, if you are looking to dive deeper into the concepts of mindfulness and living in the present moment, I highly recommend a book called Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This book offers profound insights into mindfulness and how to embrace the present moment. It is a fantastic resource for anyone wanting to deepen their meditation practice and cultivate a more centered and peaceful life. Thanks for joining me today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.